Get Caleb out of that first. I'm about to cook, okay? Okay, you gotta put some socks on, okay? Here you go, put some socks on, okay, Samara? Only if we leave out the house, okay? You don't have to. I gotta see if it contains caffeine or not, okay?
We eat a yogurt too?
Keep going. Got it? There you go. Good job. Chef Caleb came through. Don't be shy. Okay, now fold it over. So good job, Caleb. Just go around doing that. Simone, bring it down, okay? I can't hear Caleb. Is it sweet?
Not too sweet.
You can really taste the yogurt? No, not yet, babe. That's good. That's good.
I'm gonna eat this one again.
Might be on or something. I have the right butter or milk. It's good. Alright, let's get the food. Let's check the bread.
This is gonna be my.
Okay. Alright. Chef Caleb.
Wait.
Welcome.
Yeah, I got fresh food first. Let's see if he is good. Okay, hold up.
Little Chef
You gotta say
Simone.
the grace, Caleb. Jeez, calm down. You gotta say the grace.
No,
Yeah, leave the cook.
Christopher, you do need to say your grace.
I'll say it.
You want to say grace?
God the Father, once again, thank you for the unity of the Son. And I take this food for the very most people all over the world. Keep your food and be
Do this look like the thing that they use to the sting that they use?
For the bees. Uh-huh.
How many times can a bee sting?
Oh,
Stop it.
that is dog. Our cucumbers have seeds.
Yeah, cucumber burger.
Look.
Okay.
No! I want to. A superhero dog.
Oh,
You want to get the most important to me?
I found too many shows. I went down too many times for them to keep saying that.
Okay, go down. No. Let me see.
What's cooking? What's cooking? What's cooking?
I feel it.
Alright, get your plates.
And I'm still waiting for my food to be eaten.
We eating chalupas.
Thank
We eating
you.
chalupas.
Thank you, Mom.
Chalupas.
Mom, let me get this. Come on, get your cup. Yes, sir.
I need to go to my room and get in my cover. I'm so cold.
No, you're not. Ah!
I told you she's not coming back. She's falling in love.
Flip it. Let me see what you got. You lost. You lost an ace. Okay. Let's see what else you lost. Nothing good.
But you can't.
Let's see what I could have lost. Ooh,
Chris.
you have gotten an ace. 3 aces.